What's going on, guys? Here with another video. I am going to be working on my Sequoia today. Picked this thing up. It's been about a month since I've had it. Absolutely love this car, but I am not a fan of the chrome. And as you can tell, I got this grill from, hopefully I'm saying it right, Umitsu, I don't know, something like that. I'll link it in the description. It's about 350 bucks. It comes with the Toyota badge. It's all inside the box. I didn't take everything out. It comes with 3 amber lights. It's like the TRD Pro, basically like a little knockoff version. I got it in about 2 days, and you know, I'm gonna just swap it out and eventually black out this whole car. But let me show you what I got. So this is the grill. It is flat black. Hopefully you guys can see this because I'm wearing a GoPro on my head. It's flat black. I'm not sure if I want to just throw it up there being a flat black or tape it off and paint match this, and this part then leave the middle flat black. But there's that. I don't want to scratch this thing up, so let me put that there. And then inside the box, you got the Toyota. I'll take it when I'm all said and done. I'll take it out. And then you got your amber lights that you could pop in the grill. They just 4 clips, pop in real easy. So not too sure if I want to paint it. I think I do want to paint it so it looks a little bit better. I don't know, not too sure, because it will match with the mirrors. But no, I think I want to paint it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run to the paint store, get some paint this bad boy, and then install it. So I'll be right back. All right, what's going on, guys? Just finished taping everything off. I just want this and this section to match the black on the Sequoia, so I taped off the whole middle. Take your time doing this part, so you only have to do it once. I used a leaf bag from Lowe's, plastic, garbage bag, whatever you want. So I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but I'm gonna spray paint this black to match my car, and then I will pick back up and we'll do the install. I just finished painting it. Got my little ghetto setup because I got a big ass tree and I don't need the pollen falling on it. But I got it all painted up. It's all set to go on the car. So now I'm gonna start disassembling the grill. So let's get started on that. All right, seems pretty simple. I already took one bolt out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way around, and then the latch, and then the rest should just be with some popping clips and it comes right out. Hopefully it goes that easy. So I'm gonna get to taking all these bolts out, and then I'll show you once the grill is off. All right, guys, I got the old grill off. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just those, I think it's what, 10 bolts that go all the way around, 2 Phillips for the hood latch. And then when you get to the point to where you got to start yanking on it, I had to yank on it a little bit hard. I was a little nervous. I didn't want to break anything, because just in case I want to use this grill again or for whatever reason in the future. But the tabs on the corners, they both broke. Everything else in the middle is straight. So, but if that happens to you, don't worry. The kit that comes with this grill comes with brand new ones. So don't get too nervous about it. It'll be nice if it didn't break, but it is what it is. So now what we're gonna do is these brackets that are here, we're gonna pull these off and transfer them to the new grill. Never mind, I lied. In the kit, it comes with a whole set of brand new ones. I thought it just came with the white clips, but it actually comes with the metal clips too. So you could actually just leave all this like this, and then, you know, if you really want, replace these if this broke on yours, and just keep the grill for, I don't know, backup or sell it on eBay. But yeah, no, the kit, the package, it comes with everything. I didn't notice that. So let's just put these on there. All right guys, so now I got all the clips in, all the plastic ones. I got the metal and the plastic. My tip would be to make sure you keep these clips, because they are different than these. Hopefully you guys can see that. See how this one's skinny and this one's like more rounded. Keep these left to right, like going horizontally, not vertically, so that it could pop into the hood easier. I think that's actually the only way it actually will pop in. So now all we're gonna do is put the Toyota emblem in. It's 4 screws. Oh yeah, and I don't know if yours may come like this, but I had 2 Phillips screws on each side, so I just undid those. I had them on this side too. I took those out so that when we put it back up against the car, I could put the bolts that were on the original grill through there. So it's not really a hard process. It's just a few clips and bolts and it pops in and out. So let's get this started. All right, so that's what it looks like. As you can tell, this is shiny, flat. Before we put it on the grill, let's put the LED lights in and the Toyota badge, so it's a lot simpler instead of doing it on the car. So I'm gonna go get that. They should be in here. 1, 2, 3, and you can plug them in wherever you want. I'm gonna make them even, obviously, so let's do that. All right, so basically they just pop in, take the plastic off. This is where I want to put this one. They just snap into place. How do they snap into place? Oh, this way. Durr. So you gotta go through the front, right? Yes sir. Boom, like that. Trying to get a good view so you guys can see and do what I do too. Not trying to scuff up the paint, you know what I'm saying? So I'm being extra careful. And this hat that I got this GoPro on really don't fit, so I'm trying to balance the grill and balance this GoPro. So you basically do like that, come in like that, snap snap, 1 2, and then there's third one's right here. So I mean, not really that hard. It's pretty simple. I wish I had like a table or something, because I'm like squatting on my knees doing this and my toes kind of hurt. Boom, like that. And then once it's all bolted back on, then we'll run the wire and I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's get the Toyota emblem that's inside. I gotta go grab that and install that. Here's the sign, or a Toyota badge, and it comes with 4 little screws. So we're gonna pick this up, and I don't know if you guys can see it, there's 1 2 3 4 holes. So this basically goes like that. I should have did this first, because I'm not trying to drop it on the face that I painted. So basically just everything is just, you know, if you got common sense, this won't be that hard. But if you ain't got common sense, and then I don't know what to tell you. Look for ask one of your friends that got common sense to do this for you. But yeah, that's about it. Where's my screwdriver, which will be lovely. There it is. Hold this in place. It screws right in. It's so easy. Oh shit. Yep. All right, let me do this with two hands. Yep, so everything is situated. Now we can put this back on the car. So everything we did earlier with taking the 10 bolts off and popping the clips. All right, so this is the new grill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know the sun's in the way, but I put 10 bolts back, put the hood latch back, and I'm not gonna close it yet, but all right, that looks way better. So now the only thing left to do is to hook up these lights, and the way I've seen people do them online are some people like actually cut into the headlight. I don't really think I don't really want to do that. So I bought this. It's a fuse tap. I'm gonna plug this in where my daytime running lights are, and then I'm gonna crimp it to the end of the wire that connects to the Sequoia, if you guys are following what I mean. So because the lights, they all plug in and lead into one end. So I'm gonna plug all the lights in, attach this to this, and then that's the fuse. So hopefully that works. I'll let you know if it works. We'll find out if it works in this video. Stay tuned. All right, what's going on, guys? It is the next day. I did get sidetracked. I did everything last night and I forgot to record, but I'm gonna go over everything I just did. So the fuse tap does work. The fuse tap that I showed in the other video was not the right fuse tap for these fuses, so I'm gonna pop it off right now. And the crimp that I used to ground out the O-rings that attach to the negative, so I'm gonna post both those things right now. They're at AutoZone. It's like $5-6 for both. It's not expensive. Or no, I'm lying, maybe $10 for this. And for the, I don't know if you guys can see it, the crimp that attaches to the negative is cheap. So basically everything is plug and play. As you see, you just plug everything in and then you do your cable management. I zip tied everything to the top out of the way of the hood latch. Zip tied it there, brought it all the way down, zip tied it there, and then I zip tied it there. And then I ground it out where the battery grounds out. It's right, see, nice and convenient. And then I tapped into my headlights. You could tap into your headlights or you could tap into your ignition. If you tap into your headlights, these 3 lights will only pop on when your low beams come on. But if you do want the lights to run during the day, like the amber lights that you get when these are running, I personally like that look. I think I'm going to switch it. You tap into your ignition. Open your fuse box. Here, let me show you. So I tapped into 15A, the second one down. That's the one I tapped into, but I'm going to switch it to the ignition, the one down here, so that I can have these lights and my grill lights running without my low beams popping on. It's pretty simple. It's not really hard. Just, you know, keep everything nice and neat and you'll be all set to go. Quick rundown so you guys get the idea. So just tap in. You could tap in your headlights or ignition, depending again how you want your LED lights in the front to run. As of now, I only have them when I turn on my low beams, or I mean I got my lights on. Let me show you out real quick. So I mean, it looks good. I've had people compliment me saying that they like the lights. It's only been a day. See, this is what I'm talking about. I like running it where it's just like this without my lights, especially in the evening when it's like it's not dark out. It just, I don't know, it gives it a nicer look. So if that's what you want, switch it to the ignition fuse and you'll be all set. So that's that, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do some more things to this. I want to put in exhaust, tires, new bumper. There's a few things I want to do to this bad boy. But yeah, thanks again. Like and subscribe.